Tired of cleaning floors every day? Imagine a device so smart it does all the work for you while you relax. Sounds like a dream, right? Stay tuned because what you're about to see isn't just a cleaning gadget. It's a revolutionary solution for spotless floors with zero effort. And there's a game-changing feature we'll reveal at the end, so don't miss it. Let's start with the powerhouse behind the Dreame L20 Ultra. With 7,000 PA Vormax suction power, this robot vacuum doesn't just clean. It eliminates every speck of dust, dirt, and pet hair from hard floors, carpets, and even marble tiles. The liftable rubber brush detangles hair effortlessly, making it perfect for pet owners or anyone who wants their floors squeaky clean. But that's not all. The Dreame L20 Ultra takes convenience to a whole new level with its fully automatic base station. This smart base handles everything for you: dustbin emptying, mop washing and drying, and even refilling the water tank. It's like having your personal cleaning assistant working 24/7 without you lifting a finger. Here's where it gets even better. The innovative MopExtend unit expands the reach of the mops, allowing the robot to clean corners and edges that other vacuums simply can't reach. And for carpets, the ultrasonic carpet detection ensures the mops are automatically removed, so your carpets stay clean and dry every single time. The Dreame L20 Ultra isn't just powerful, it's smart. It features Pathfinder Smart Navigation and a 3D structured light obstacle avoidance system, capable of recognizing up to 55 different objects. This ensures seamless cleaning with no bumps, tangles, or missed spots. And with remote control, app integration, and voice control compatibility, you're always in charge, even when you're not at home. Now here's the feature that sets this robot apart. It's duo scrub mopping and dirt detection technology. It can detect dirt-prone areas and clean them twice automatically, ensuring no stubborn spot is left behind. So why wait? The Dreame L20 Ultra is more than just a cleaning device, it's a life upgrade. Experience effortless cleaning and spotless floors every day. Don't miss out on this innovation. Grab yours now and transform the way you clean your home.